A man who is wanted by the police says he's not ready to turn himself in just yet until he gets the assurance that justice will be served. The man, Ron Rainford, is from Rose Hall in Lawrence Tavern, St. Andrew. He says a community member made gun-related allegations against him and his nephews, which are false.
This man, Rohan Rainford, is wanted by the Constant Spring Police for questioning, but he's reluctant to hand himself in for fear that he might not be treated justly. He reached out to TVJ News but asked that his face not be shown for fear that he might be further targeted. The police say they want to question him about a complaint that was lodged against him by another community member. We asked Mr. Rainford about the allegation and why he is refusing to go into the police if he's innocent as he claims.
Because of the allegation, what him also made of me, made that he gave away $500,000 to Constant Spring. I said the Constant Spring police to arrest me and my two nephews for something what happened 2020.
Mr. Rainford alleges that the dispute between himself and the complainant started after he refused a request by the complainant for them to team up and become dons in the community. He says the man's latest in a series of complaints to the police against him was earlier this year, and that it also involved two other family members.
2022, this man again come accuse me and my two nephews of me driving down my car, block the road on him, and my two nephews jump off of the hill and shoot him.
The Rose Hall community has rallied around Mr. Rainford and is alleging that the police are taking sides with the complainant and not doing proper investigations to unearth the truth.
Imagine a man in the community and him live and grow with us. And at the end of the day, he want to done in this, and we're totally opposing that. And not only that, we as a family definitely come out today to stand up for a family member. It has been alleged that this man pay people, pay polices for come in and take care of a family member. At the end of the day, he gone two already, and now the third one in what? I would decide say we are going to stand flat-footed and say yes, we are turning up for a family member because now go in to the criminal them when I police force. So we come out today to stand up in regards to this.
This is a video of them last week when the police came to arrest his nephew. It's the same day the police inspector who had gone to make the arrest collapsed and died in the community. We spoke to Aaron Fletcher, commander of the St. Andrew North Police Division, in which the Rose Hall district falls. He says Mr. Rainford's reluctance to turn himself in is only making it more difficult for himself, and says he needs to come to the police and let the court decide.
I need the police them to do a proper investigation where you can point finger and say, yes, we are involved in this crime. Proper investigation, and tomorrow morning, right now, if you give me a proper investigation where you can say, yo, them boy, I give trouble, I will turn myself in immediately.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.